morning, good afternoon, happy day. So, after yesterday's little speak, some of y'all felt I went on a little too long. That's fair, that's alright. So, I'll keep this next one short. We're going to pivot for a minute, because I want to go back to a topic I've already addressed. So, mainstream media, big corporate press, is now acknowledging that AI alone, just AI, is already geared up and set to majorly disrupt career chains and institutionalized learning apparatuses across the nation. Yet again, when you hear big corporate buzz speak like that, most of y'all's brains probably just turn off immediately. I don't blame you, I understand. But folks, I'm here to let you know, they're not just blowing smoke up your ass. This is not just more Silicon Valley nonsense. They are already talking major reformations needed, not even wanted, just needed, to academia at large. Let me give you an example. I have currently come back to college. I've been doing the college thing for a bit now. If you know me, you know my story, you know what I'm doing, you understand. Recently, I just got into university, okay? I'm with the big dogs now. We're doing big homework, okay? It's fun, it's great. I'm having a wonderful time. I am studying computer science. And literally, I am in the middle of courses learning how the bits and the bytes and the ones and the zeros communicate with the engravings in the silicon to trick the rocks into thinking. And they're already talking like my professors, my faculty, my deans, the authority figures who I'm supposed to look up to. All right, saying, honestly, your career prospects, they ain't looking good, chief. And this is a STEM degree. I want to remind you, this is not gender studies. This is not an associates of basket weaving. This is a STEM degree, an engineering degree. And they're telling me, you're going to be lucky if you find work out there. It's beyond dire. And so they're discussing possibly completely changing. Sorry about that, I got cut off. Where was I? I was just talking about they're changing the curriculum of computer science, okay? We're talking about going from a 4-year degree, traditional classic STEM engineering degree, to an 8-week trade school course. That is mind-boggling to me, especially because, yet again, I have been in college for the last 2 years. I have been studying pre-calculus, trigonometry, calculus, advanced differential equations, just to get to the point of learning how to program for loops, understanding recursive functions, and binary trees, okay? Years I have dedicated just to getting to there. And they're talking, this is going to be such an upset that we're completely scrubbing all that and we're just going to make it into a little certificate course. You come on in 2 times a week, you show up, you got a pulse, you got warm blood flowing through your veins, here you go. And yet again, I want to preface, this is a STEM degree. So if they're going to do that to a STEM degree, what the hell are they about to do to everything else? Expect the traditional tenets of what makes a qualified expert. Expect all of that to literally be tossed out the window in the next 5 years.